So the first one is to come on your hands and one knee, put a pattern in the knee, straighten the leg out to the side, and try to stretch the inner thigh here. Try to keep neutral spine and straight. There's a tendency to side bend to the left here, but try to best you can. So we'll work on that together. And you can rock back and forth just to feel different fiber pulls. You do that for 30 seconds, then you bend the leg and foot and knee. You bring the foot straight. You take the top of the hand on the same bent leg on top of the foot. You push the knee out, and you're trying to open that groin and hip. First, moving the leg, not moving the pelvis initially. Later on, you can do both. You do that for 30 seconds. Then you straighten the leg out, so you're still on one knee. And with a slightly bent knee to a straightish knee, you're going to square your hip as best you can, standing on the balls of the rear foot of the toes there. And you're just going to bend forward, try to keep, again, that neutral spine. All right? And stretch for 30 seconds. When you're done with that, the next one is you bend the knee, kind of straightish, 90-ish degrees. Straighten the pelvis, align the pelvis as best you can. Then on the down knee, you're going to raise that arm over your head, reaching both hands behind your back. They don't have to touch. It's mainly to raise this elbow up. See how my rib cage comes up? And you want to try to bring that rib cage down. So you're practicing always your bracing and neutral spine mechanics during all the stretches. 30-second hold. When you're done with that, this hand here grabs the foot or heel, or you put a cord or a towel around that rear foot to lift it up. Hold that again, for 30 seconds, stretching again the front of the thigh, pushing the pelvis forward. When you get done with that, then you're going to do a little movement pattern where you go into the pigeon pose. So I'm going to take my rear foot, I'm going to turn it to the side, and I'm going to just go ahead and step behind and be upright rather than down. Be upright and really stretch into that hip as far as that can take me. You can go further than I am, that's fine. Less, that's fine. 30-second hold. When you get done with that, I want you to do 2 or 3 reps of using very little hands and come back and forth again to this, we call this a half kneeling position, and then go back to that piriformis or pigeon pose, and just get the position, neutral spine. Try not to arch your back too much, brace appropriately, and you're just going to come back and forth until this becomes a very solid type movement, right, over weeks and months. And when you get done with that side, then you repeat the other side. Okay?